Are you thinking about jumping into Viralstyle to start your print-on-demand business? Hold on, before you commit your time and energy, let's take a closer look at whether this platform really delivers what it promises. Viralstyle.com positions itself as a free print-on-demand and social commerce platform that lets users design and sell custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, and accessories without ever handling inventory or shipping. It sounds like a low-risk, high-reward opportunity, especially if you're trying to get started in e-commerce with minimal investment. The platform has been around for years and stays active on social media, which shows some staying power in a competitive market. But here's where things get tricky. Despite its long history, Viralstyle has accumulated a lot of negative feedback over time. Many users report serious issues with customer service, slow responses, unhelpful support, and difficulties resolving order-related problems. There are also complaints about products arriving late, not arriving at all, or not matching what was advertised. Sellers have expressed frustration with the back-end dashboard, lack of control over customer interactions, and the feeling of being left in the dark once a product is sold. On the other hand, some users do manage to make it work, particularly those who are proactive, bring in their own audience, and set clear expectations with buyers. So is Viralstyle a scam? No, it's not a scam. It's a functioning platform that does allow people to sell products and get paid. But is it truly reliable and worth your time? That depends on your tolerance for potential issues and how much effort you're willing to put in to compensate for the platform's weak spots. This review isn't about sugarcoating or bashing, it's about giving you a clear-eyed look at what you're getting into. If you're thinking about building a serious brand or growing a loyal customer base, you may want to weigh your options carefully.